Hi again, it's me, Mark Hyder. Oh yes, next week I'm going on the ghost hunt, and today I'm doing a pre-location thing. I'm going to go to the location today, but today at the moment we're at the Camberwell Air Raid Shelter Memorial, and it's right here. I do have my EMF reader. I'm not sure I'm going to catch anything, you never know. Just gonna... Okay. That's on. No. Okay, I'm going to ask out. Okay. Dear Lord, hopefully give me protection. I do have protection stones with me. We just need some protection during this experiment. Okay. Is there any spirits in this? Is there any spirits in my present location? It's pretty hard to see with the. Oh. Did you see that? Whoa! It's going to orange. Don't need to get in that funny orange. Wow! Can you make this meter go to red, please? What? Oh my gosh, thank you very much. Thank you very much. I'm a bit shocked really. I know too much to ask. Can you do it again please? Just for my benefit and just for evidence. Okay, nothing at the moment. Okay. Let's try the Netphonic app. And always do a prayer and after prayer when you do this. I will do another prayer just to be safe. Please protect me when I'm doing this experiment. This is just an experiment. You don't have to talk to me at any time. Excuse me for the noise. Is anyone here? Hi. How are you doing? Can you tell me how... Sorry to cut you off. Can you... Oh, flies coming on near me. I've got flies. I'm not sure... I've got flies. I am Mark. I'm in Camberwell. This is where I grew up in early... Like, I grew up around this area. Was born in Dulwich. I'm fascinated of your history. Okay. How many spirits are here at this present time? 5. Can you tell me your name? Oh. Ken. Wow. There's loads of flies around here now. I've got loads of flies. What is the one memory you can take back by being during the war? The good times. And here's another question: Was any of you evacuated in the war? Operation Pie 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 Pie. Operation Pie Piper. Got that right. Very sorry for the noise. Okay, I will leave you alone now. Thank you very much for your time. Just note, you cannot attach me, you can't attach to me, or any of my equipment, or any of my family, or my friends. You just stay here, and may you rest in peace. Thank you. The EMF is still going off. It was still going off. Wow.